Welcome back to all. Our story title is Tim Tat and the Pirates. Let's start together. This is the school where Tim goes. This is his teacher, Miss Wade. His name is her name is Miss Wade. Looks like it's time for a story. Off we go. In line, keep straight. Tim and his dad sit up nicely, wondering which it will be. A tale about pirates. They want adventures at sea. Today says Miss Wade will be special, something special like there's a drink and a lovely surprise for you all. We are going to read Little Bears. During the Tim and his dads close their eyes. Miss Wade reads. The room fills with water. A dolphin glides in through the door. It invites Dad and Till to go for a swim, and off they all go to explore each and everything. Tim and Tad ride along to Look Island. See the whole island where pirates are up to no good. But suddenly crunch! A shark eats them for lunch with a nicely treasure chest for his bird. It's lucky that Tim's like finds a flashlight because now he can easily look. And soon, what a player! Tim can see heap of treasure. Look out! Look out of this. Here is a line and a hook. The hook catches hold of the chest full of gold. Yo-ho! Yelled the pirates a bite. That shot with a roar. Quick! Tim hold my paw and everyone else hang on tight. The captain says, have me. Here it is, we will soon have our gold back on deck. When they see what pops out, the pirates all shout, what's that? It's a monster? Oh heck! It is a monster. Hands up, ordered Ted and surrounded. It's a bear, yelled the mate. Well, I'm blessed. We are going to set sail and put you in jail. Shout him. So you are under arrest. We will never give up, screamed the pirates. And cutlasses clatter and clash. See. And then that bad pirates crew and their mate captain too and are walking the plank with a splash, splash, splash. Look out, Tim, you have knocked your drink over. Let me get your clothes, cries Miss Wade. It's all on the floor. Look, oh yeah dear, here's some more. My goodness, you are in a state. At home time, Mom asks, how was school, dear? Tim says, oh, we did not do much. Only reading and writing and stories and fighting and capturing pirates and such. That's really a nice story, honestly. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha.